1. Timer circuit. We can easily create a timer signal generator circuit using IC 555. The circuit does not require many components, only resistors and capacitors. From the equation, we get the delay time. Delay times equals 1.1 times R0 times C0. Number 2. A dart detection signal generator. This circuit is a dart detection signal generator using a 555 timer IC configured as a comparator. The LDR light-dependent resistor, along with resistor R2, forms a voltage divider that determines the light sensitivity threshold. When the ambient light level falling on the LDR is lower than the specified level set by R2, the 555 timer outputs a signal to activate the LED, indicating a dark condition. Number 3. Negative voltage generator. This circuit is a negative voltage generator using the 555 IC as an astable multivibrator to generate a square wave signal for the charge pump circuit. Capacitors and diodes convert positive DC to negative DC. It is used in circuits requiring negative voltage, such as op-amps, dual power supplies, or analog circuits needing a stable negative voltage. Positive voltage. Negative voltage. Number 4. LED alternating blinking circuit. This circuit uses two timer ICs to create an alternating LED blinking effect between a green and red LED with a stable timing pattern. The circuit operates as a cascaded astable multivibrator, where the first 555 timer controls the second one, causing the LED to blink alternately. This can be used for warning lights, signal indicators, or as a beginner-friendly electronics project, perfect for learning basic electronics. LED blinking projects, warning or signal light applications. Number 5. LED light dimmer circuit. Want to adjust LED brightness with ease? This circuit uses a 555 timer IC in PWM mode or pulse with modulation to control brightness. A variable resistor VR lets you fine-tune the duty cycle, adjusting how long the LED stays on. The longer it's on, the brighter it gets. Simple, efficient, and fun to build. Try making your own today. Number 6. DC motor speed control. Ever wanted to control your DC motor speed effortlessly? This circuit uses a 555 timer IC to generate PWM pulse with modulation, allowing precise speed control. Simply turn the 50,000 ohms potentiometer VR to adjust the duty cycle from slow to fast. Perfect for robotics, electric vehicles, or automation projects. Simple yet effective. Build yours today and take control like a pro. Number 7. Voltage doubler. Want to double your voltage with a simple circuit? This design uses a 555 timer IC to generate a PWM signal that powers a charge pump circuit. With just one N for 1 for 8 diodes and capacitors, you can boost 12 volts to 24 volts. Perfect for low power loads or circuits requiring higher voltage. A great project for electronics enthusiasts looking to experiment. Easy to build, minimal components. Try it now and unlock the power of voltage doubling. Number 8. Servo tester. Just bought a new servo motor. Before installing it, make sure it works. This simple servo tester circuit uses an IC 555 to generate a signal, allowing you to test and control the servo's movement easily. Adjust the potentiometer RV1 to change the pulse width, simulating different control signals. No microcontroller needed, just a few components for quick and reliable testing. Perfect for robotics, automation, and DIY projects. Try it now and ensure your servo is ready to go. Enjoy learning with us. We'll keep bringing you more exciting circuits to explore. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support us. Thank you.